Now, I don't know if you were paying attention when I pulled up that image size dialog box, but we have a very small problem. First off, if you still have the crop tool, go ahead and select the move tool. You can hit the letter V or just click on that so you don't inadvertently crop. And then bring up the image size dialog box again, right? Right here. Option Command I. Learn that because you bring it up all the time when you're using this. And notice that it's 1696 by 1695. Hey, we picked 1 by 1 Photoshop. How come we got an extra pixel? Hey, stuff happens. So we need to reduce the width by 1 pixel so we have a square. And that's pretty easy to do. We bring up the canvas size dialog box. Image, canvas size, Option Command C. And this is also something we use all the time. So Option Command C, we have canvas size. Now, I don't want to take 1 pixel from the center because that means we're telling Photoshop, hey, take a half a pixel off of each side. So I pick one side or the other and say, hey, make this 1 pixel smaller. And Photoshop immediately has a conniption and says, hey, you're going to eliminate something there. Yeah, it's okay. We're just taking off a pixel, and I don't know if you noticed the image shifted just oh so little. Now, image size, Option Command I to bring up this dialog box. Now we have 1695 in both fields. Make sure that this is locked. Don't worry about the resolution because we're just working for a 5,000 pixel square image. Now this is going to give us some pixelation and artifacts, and if we wanted to print this image at this point after we upsample, we're not going to have great results. But because of the nature of the radial blur, this is going to be very unforgiving. Please don't think you can upsample any image radically. This is over, well, it's a little less than 3 times its actual size. We're actually adding 9 pixels for every one. So not a good idea. Photoshop Upsamples does a darn good job, but you'll notice you can see artifacts. Doesn't matter from what we're going to do next. So hit Command 0. Fit this on the screen. We now have a 5,000 pixel square image, and we're ready for the next steps.